Hi, have a good day, ma'am and sir. I am Lorna Parides from the Philippines. I am 48 years old. I am married. I am a Catholic and I am a high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking and cleaning. I am hardworking, loving, have patience to the kids. I love reading books. My first work experience is here in the Philippines for 2 years. There are three members in their family, the couple and their son. My main duties to them is to take good care of their son. My second work experience is in Hong Kong. That is for 2 years. I serve four members in their family, the couple and their two kids. My main duties are taking care of the kids by feeding them, taking them a bath, tutoring their assignment, teaching them a good lesson, reading them a books, playing with them, sending them to school, pick up them from the school, marketing, car washing, cooking, cleaning the house, washing and ironing their clothes, gardening, and taking care of their fish pets. I'm a finished contract on them. My third employer is still in Hong Kong. They are four members in their family. That is for 3 months. My main duties to them is to take good care of mom and sir because they are elderly, cooking, cleaning the house, ironing and washing their clothes, and gardening. I break my contract to them for suddenly I break my contract because we have a misunderstanding to my employer. So to avoid any misunderstanding, any problem, arguments, so I decide myself to break my contract to them. And then my fourth employer is here in the Philippines. That is for 9 months. I serve two adults. They are a Chinese national. My main duties to them is to assist mom in the kitchen and washing their clothes, ironing their clothes, cleaning the house, like that.
Good day, Miss Lorna. How are you today?
I'm feeling good.
Can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your main duties to your previous employer?
My duties to my previous employer is by assisting mom in the kitchen when she is cooking, cleaning the house, doing the laundry, um, and then cleaning the surroundings.
Please describe your daily activities from the morning until evening.
First, my daily activities. First in the morning, I take a bath, and then after I take a bath, I drink a hot water for healthy. For and then after that, and around 9 o'clock, I eat my breakfast, and then I do the cleaning, start cleaning until my mom is coming, and then I'm helping, assisting mom.
Can you cook some Chinese dishes?
Yes, mom, I can cook.
Can you give us at least three dishes that you can cook?
Yes, ma'am, I can do the chow fan rice, the scrambled egg, the steamed rice, the steamed chicken, steamed steamed pork, and then steamed egg like that.
Can you speak Cantonese?
Yes, ma'am, a basic.
What is the most important things taking care of the children?
The most important is to mind the safety of the kids and the food that they eat. It must be nutritional like that, ma'am.
Can you manage to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am, because I have my own baby also, my child before.
What will you do if the baby is always crying?
If the baby is always crying, I have to check the baby's diaper if it's wet. I check the body, maybe there's some insects biting on his body, and then I I also do the temperature if she got a fever. If she got a fever, I do the cold compress, the first aid, and then if she don't have fever, maybe she only need my comfort, so I carry her.
What made you decide to work in Hong Kong?
I decided to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong, I love Hong Kong, man. And then Hong Kong also has a high standard, high quality, and they can provide the helper a high salary that the helper can provide also the family needs.
How long do you plan to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs my service, I stay longer to them.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what will you do?
If we have a misunderstanding, I'm the one to apologize. I asked my employer why she hates me like that, ma'am.
Before we end, do you have any message to your future employer?
Ma'am and sir, if you choose me as your helper, I promise you to do my duties and responsibilities. I follow your rules and regulations. I am a hardworking, loving, have patience. I love kids, and I love your kids as my kids.
Thank you so much, Miss Lorna. Hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Can you give us your best smile?